In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your crank sensor on your Chevy Cruze. It's located underneath the car, behind the engine. So right here is a red tab. It's a lock tab. You have to unlock it by pushing it out. So use a flathead screwdriver to do that and unlock it. Once it's unlocked, then you're going to go above the axle and you're going to push in on the connector and remove it. And put that off to the side. And now we're going to use a 10mm socket with an extension and a 1/4" drive ratchet. Just slide that over the axle, get to that bolt, and loosen it up. Remove your bolt. Now you're going to get a long pry bar in there. Slide it up between the axle and the engine, and you're just going to pull it out gently. To install, you're going to go up above that axle again and insert it in. Make sure the bolt hole is lined up. Make sure the bolt hole is lined up. Once it's flush, you're going to put your bolt in. I'm going to slide it by hand and thread it all the way in, and then we'll tighten it up. Now we're going to tighten it and torque it to 89 inch-pounds. Once you've torqued it, I'm going to plug it in and push down on the lock tab. So let's line it up. Hear that click? And then lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.